I think Jay Powell is going to watch the data, and based on the data, Jay Powell will make decisions. The market's clearly running ahead to a position of many cuts. There's no question we've made a lot of progress on inflation. Depending on how the progress, moves from here, that'll spell the direction of policy. I think it's hard for me to see the market's view of 7 cuts, this year. I do think there's a reasonable possibility of some interest rate cuts and some easing, but it's really going to be dependent on what the data says and how the economy transmits through the year. I see some signs of softness, which would lead you to believe that we're going to see some cuts, but there's a lot going on in the world, and I know you're talking about geopolitics, et cetera, and all of this, can create
0%
balances.
0% chance of hikes?
I don't say 0% to anything, but it feels like at this point, a bunch of work's done where the chance of hikes is a much smaller distribution than we would have thought, 6 months ago.